Hi there. Welcome to our global commodity trading website. This website is our final project for W209 data visualization class of the MIS program in UC Berkeley. My name is Dan-Qi Luo, and our group members are BK Yang and Tel Park. I'm thrilled to give you a short demonstration of our website. First, when you open our website, you will be able to see there are 4 tabs at the top: Overview, Instruction, Overview, Insights by Country, Insights by Commodity. We set our homepage to Instruction tab so that the users can have a general idea of the dataset before they jump right into the interactive figures. Let me give you a brief introduction of our website. The dataset was downloaded from the United Nations, which contains trading information from 1988 to 2019. In the Overview tab, we basically imported the full dataset and are trying to give the user 5 dimensions, including import and export, reporting country, partner country, commodity, and the time to explore the data. In this tab, you will be able to select any features and see the aggregated data in bar charts. In the Insights by Country View tab, we are trying to help the user to get more comprehensive statistics based on the selected countries. Lastly, the Insights by Commodity View was designed to help the user to gain more stats based on selected commodities. Alright, let's move to the Overview tab. As you can see, there are 4 drop-down menus with one line chart over time at the top. If we do not select anything, the total trading, this chart will show you the total trading volume, including import and export, of all reported countries from 1988 to 2019. For the first use case, if we want to know the trading between the United States and China, we can set to import first, and setting the reporting country to United States and the partner country to China. And there, you will be able to see the categories of commodities that the U.S. imported from China ranked by the total trading volume. We can also set the time at the line chart so that you can see the total trading volume in selected time frame. Moreover, if you would like to see the changes over time, you can select 1 year and move along. There you will be able to see the changes of each commodities over time. Also, you can switch back to export. Then you will be able to see how much that United States exported to China in the selected time frame. For the second use case, say we want to know what is the ranking of countries by specific commodity. We can set this back to import and setting this back to all, and setting the commodity to cotton, for example. And then you will see the trading, the rankings in reporting countries, and in the partner country, it shows the source countries of exporting cotton. Theoretically, if we switch back to export, we will be able to see the reporting country and the partner country switch positions. But in reality, different countries have reported different data to United Nations, or even some countries did not report it at all. That is why you will see the discrepancies between the import and export. Anyways, if you would like to see specific countries' data, you can set the reporting country, say, to USA. And then you will see where did the US exported cotton to each country by how much. Next, let's move to the Insight by Country view. This visualization was built on Tableau. Sometimes it won't render correctly. That is why we put a note at the top and reminding the user to refresh the page. This tab was designed for users to get more stats about specific countries, such as growth, year over year, market share, and the top 10 commodities. By default, it prints out the top 5 trading countries. Here, you can select countries in this tab, and you can select multiple countries in this tab and see their market share, trading volume, and a growth rate. More specifically, you can check the top 10 commodities. Of course, if you click one of them, the line chart is going to update and showing you the for the selected commodities what their statistics look like. The map here was used to show the total trading volume during the selected time frame. As you can see, there are some countries did not report it to United Nations. Here, if for example we select Australia, and China, and Cuba, yeah, we can see the market share of China was growing dramatically from 2000 to 2018. And on the right, we can see the biggest drop was in 2009, which happens right after the global economy recession. Last, let's take a look at the insights by commodity view again. As you can see, this was built on Tableau, so refresh as needed. By the tab name, you will know this is about commodities. The design is pretty much the same to the previous tab, except for the growth rate was changed to tables. During our testing, user testing, we see people do not have a preference over tables to charts in this specific case, so we kept both on our website. Similarly, we can set commodities at the top left drop-down bar, and we can change time here. By default, the top 5 commodities by trading volume was shown here, and the associated growth rate year-over-year table will be shown in the middle. The top 10 importers and exporters will be displayed at the bottom. For example, we can set this commodity to aircraft. Then we will see the total trading volume from 1988, maybe 89 to 2019. The biggest growth rate happens in 1991, and the biggest drop was in 2019. And the European Union was the largest importer, and the United States was the largest exporter. That is it. Thank you so much for your time. And if you have any questions or recommendations, please feel free to reach us at our email address showing at the bottom of the instruction page. Goodbye.